capturing fireworks in photographs is a magical experience, one that allows you to preserve the vibrant bursts of color and light that fill the night sky. For beginners, the process may seem challenging, but with a few essential tips and a bit of practice, you can create stunning images that truly capture the excitement and beauty of fireworks displays. The first step in fireworks photography is preparation. Before the event, scout your location. Look for a spot with a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions like trees or buildings. Arriving early ensures you can stake out the perfect vantage point and set up your equipment without feeling rushed. Consider the background too. A city skyline, distant mountains, or even a body of water can add depth and interest to your photos. Next, assemble the right gear. A sturdy tripod is essential, as you'll be using long exposure times that make hand-holding the camera impractical. A remote shutter release or using your camera's timer function will help prevent camera shake when taking each shot. Most digital cameras with manual settings will work well, whether you're using a DSLR, mirrorless camera, or even a high-end compact camera. Once you're set up, it's time to adjust your camera settings. Switch to manual mode to have full control over your exposure. Set your ISO to a low value, such as 100 ISO or 200, to reduce noise in your images. For the aperture, choose a mid-range setting, typically between f8 and f16. This will keep both the foreground and the fireworks themselves in sharp focus and help control the brightness of the bursts. The most critical setting for fireworks photography is the shutter speed. Fireworks are fleeting, and to capture their full trails, you'll need to use a long exposure. Start with a shutter speed of around 2 to 4 seconds. Experiment with longer exposures, up to 10 seconds or more, to capture multiple bursts in a single image. If your camera has a bulb mode, you can hold the shutter open manually for as long as you like, releasing it once the burst has finished. Focusing in the dark can be tricky. If your camera struggles to autofocus, switch to manual focus. Focus on a distant light or the horizon before the show begins, and then leave the focus fixed. This will ensure your images are sharp. If you're further away from the action, infinity focus usually works well. When the show begins, timing is everything. Watch for the upward streak of a firework as it launches, and press the shutter just before it bursts. With longer exposures, you'll capture the full explosion and its trailing sparks as they fall. Try to anticipate the rhythm of the display, and be ready to shoot when the sky is filled with multiple bursts for more dynamic compositions. Don't forget about composition. While the fireworks themselves are the main attraction, including silhouettes of people, landmarks, or reflections can add context and scale to your photos. Experiment with both wide shots that capture the entire scene and tighter frames that focus on individual bursts. After the show, review your images and make adjustments for next time. Perhaps you'll want to try a slightly longer exposure, a different aperture, or a new vantage point. Fireworks photography is as much about experimentation as it is about technique. Above all, remember to enjoy the moment. Fireworks displays are fleeting, and while it's rewarding to capture them on camera, take a moment to look up and appreciate the spectacle with your own eyes. With practice, patience, and the right approach, you'll soon be creating breathtaking images that let you relive the magic long after the last spark has faded from the night sky.